Alright, I would like to show you a typical solar system design and installation. Here we are now. Look at my system here. So just like as I was saying before, this is my inverter. We call it inverter because it has the ability to convert a direct current to alternative current, like DC to AC. So as you can see now, it is because there's inverter here, that is why it was able to convert the energy that is coming from this battery. The battery stores energy as direct current, right? So the inverter helps to convert it to alternate current, which is the normal current that we have. We normally call it grid. So that is why we have like there's light in this room now, okay, courtesy of our beautiful system here. So and the inverter, just like I was saying now, you can't just get an inverter, place it here, and you just arrange batteries on it. No, you have to do a proper system design. Now this inverter now, mainly looking at it, I can look at it and I'll tell you that this inverter is a 4-volt inverter system. Now, first, I've already known that this is a 24-volt inverter system, and I have done my load assessment. And my load assessment told me that I will need a 24-volt inverter system. Now, I will now move ahead to get my battery because battery is usually rated in 12 volt. Not limited to, but mostly 12 volt. So I will need 2 pieces of 12-volt battery. You know, when I series it together, at least I plus it together, it makes it 24. So by 24 now, it is now in equilibrium or agreement with the 24-volt inverter. It is able to now agree together to carry out my system effectively. Now, what is the use of the charge controller? I said my charge controller also has to be at least 24 volts minimum. Like if you look at the parameters, for instance now, you could see that I have a 24 volt here, I have 15 amps here, and you see how the sun is coming in from the sun rays into the charge controller. Then from the charge controller it comes down to the battery. So this my charge controller here must be also what, 24 volts. So I have 24 volts here. The inverter system is 24 volts and the battery is 24 volts, and also your solar panel also, the volt must, the wattage can increase but the voltage must be coherent.